At Thermo Fisher Scientific Prototyping Lab, we start with understanding your vision. Our designers work closely with you to transform your ideas into reality. Using advanced CAD software, we meticulously design your product, helping to ensure every detail meets your specifications in life science and molecular diagnostics application. Our innovative 3D printing technology brings your design to life, providing rapid and precise prototyping. Quality is our priority. We thoroughly inspect each prototype to ensure it meets our high standards and our customers' need. Need changes? No problem. Our flexible process allows for quick design modifications and reprinting, enabling more efficient timelines and costs. Once the design is finalized, we prepare the molds for mass production, helping to ensure precision and consistency. Our advanced manufacturing facilities can handle large-scale production with the ability to produce inside a clean room, helping to ensure the products are free from DNA, RNAs, and PCR inhibitors, delivering high-quality products on time. From concept to completion, we offer a comprehensive end-to-end solution for your prototyping needs. Join the program today and turn your innovative ideas into reality. Visit our website to get started: thermofisher.com/prototype.